Franklin India Bluechip Fund. What do you mean by the term blue chip? What are blue chip companies? The term blue chip refers to a nationally recognized, well-established and financially sound company. They are large and matured businesses which sell high-quality, widely accepted products and services. They have successfully weathered downturns and operate profitably, owing to which they have the potential for stable and reliable growth. They are also well-researched and follow good corporate governance. Let's look at some of the key benefits of investing in Franklin India Bluechip Fund. This is a diversified equity fund that invests predominantly in companies that run large and established businesses, have a long track record and enjoy leadership in their industry. In other words, this fund invests in some solid companies that have been in business for a very long time and have now virtually become household names. The Franklin India Bluechip Fund also has a long and consistent track record for declaring regular dividends. Ideal investment horizon. Since the Franklin India Bluechip Fund is an equity fund, we recommend an investment horizon of 5 years or more. Equity funds tend to display volatility over shorter time periods. But when one invests for longer periods of time, that volatility factor tends to get negated. Financial goals. Every investment you make must ideally be linked to a financial goal. And this goal could be of varied durations, depending upon your investment needs. Since the Franklin India Bluechip Fund is an equity fund and is ideally suited for an investment horizon of greater than 5 years, the fund is well placed as an option to consider while planning for your long-term financial goals, such as higher education, planning for your child's marriage, building a retirement corpus, even if you're seeking long-term wealth creation. Who should invest in this fund? This is a good investment option to consider for those who are first-time investors in the equity asset class and as a first step are looking to invest predominantly in well-established businesses. Equity funds in general are a good investment option to consider if one is seeking relatively higher inflation-adjusted returns. Inflation-adjusted returns. What's that? The most basic tenet of investing is that the returns must at least beat inflation so that you are able to maintain your cost of living even when prices go up due to inflation. So if the inflation rate is 5%, your investments must provide returns higher than 5%. Investments which are relatively less risky, like assured returns products, help provide returns which are slightly higher than inflation, while relatively higher risk asset classes like equities could provide relatively higher returns over and above inflation. Investing in this product could be a good alternative for someone looking to directly invest in blue chip companies. Tax benefits. Let's take a look at the tax benefits. Liquidity. You can redeem your investments in full or in part on any business day. The redemption amount is normally dispatched within 10 working days from the date of redemption. You could either receive this amount as a direct credit into your registered bank account or as a physical check which you can deposit into your registered bank account. What more do you need to know? Let's get to know some fund facts of the Franklin India Bluechip Fund. For more information, please feel free to contact your mutual fund distributor or registered investment advisor. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.